The way your customers are searching for your business has changed. If you're not staying on top of it, if you're not inside of every single piece of being able to make sure that you're in front of your customers in the places that they're searching, you are going to be left behind. AI is coming into search. It is changing the way your business is being found everywhere. I'm going to take us back into the 90s. I'm going to talk about that real quick. I remember when, the advertising agent would come in once a year to get your ad in the inside of the yellow pages, or someone would come in to be able to get you in the newspaper, and that's how you were found, was by being in those places. When the internet came out and we started designing websites, I go all the way back into 95 for designing websites, and when we had that all going through, and that was 1995, yes, I'm not old. But anyway, it's one of those things to where you have to make sure that you're just as prepared. So everybody got really super, bombarded with websites and SEO, and all this stuff made this huge change, and it transitioned in. Well, AI is doing kind of the same thing right now. We're seeing a huge shift. We're seeing AI come into search. People aren't going to the website as much as they once were, but they're pulling, all these AIs are using data from your website. So it's a whole new world, whole new marketing piece. So make sure you're following us. Make sure that you're getting your listings. Make sure you're building your tree. And that tree concept is that root base at the very bottom. And that's going to be your listings. We work at simplybefound.com. We work with over 1,000 different networks that are inside of that root base. That next piece is going to be your tree trunk. Yes, we do websites, and yes, that tree trunk is going to be your website. That's going to be your pillar content. If you're a contractor, you have to make sure that you have, your city pages in the right place. And then you have the canopy of the tree. And that's going to be your social media, which have sub-branches for each of those networks. It might be email marketing. It might be social media, or not social media marketing, your blogs. It might be all the different things. If anywhere that you are outreaching out to, it might be voice search, because voice search is a huge piece. But if you're not going through and you're not filling up your tree and you're not providing the right nutrients to it, your business is going to be left behind. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but this is going to be the wave of the future. This is what's happening. It's happening right now. Google's going to be coming out with their AI search that is going to be mainstream and replace the Google search, in my opinion. I predict that's going to happen before end of summer. Bing, I think, is going to do the same way. People are using their co-pilots, asking questions. They're interacting with your business in ways that they've never done before. And if you're not ahead of the game on that, you're going to be left behind, and your competition's going to kick your butt. If you have any questions, you want to learn more about this, I want to hear your questions, because I want to be able to produce more videos on the questions you have about AI, about voice search, about anything of your business being found, because that is my passion. That's what I want to deliver to you. So leave those comments down below with those questions, and let me produce some videos for you and help you be able to work your way through all this noise and be able to figure out what's going to work for your business. Or come chat with us at simplybefound.com. Dean and myself, the co-founders of Simply Be Found, handle 100% of those chats. We'd love to chat with you today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you like and subscribe and do all that normal stuff. Depends on what network you're watching this on. Have a great day.